One banana chocolate cake is a healthy cake made with no eggs, no butter, less sugar, and fast to assemble. In this video, I will share with you 6 tips I learned from making this cake. This is a tricky cake where the top will always crack. The only time it did not crack for me was when I used a bigger cake pan. I have come to accept that one banana chocolate cake will always have a crack on top. As long as it is still yummy, then I will just go on without worrying too much about the cracked top. If you really want to hide the cracked top, then do this. Cover all the cracks with frosting of your choice. My favorite frosting for this cake is chocolate ganache, which is super fast and super easy to make. You just need chocolate and coconut milk. This ratio is just nice to form a creamy frosting, and it does not get too hard even after chilling in the fridge. One banana chocolate cake has a dense fudge-like texture which is close to being more brownie than a cake. I highly recommend putting frosting on this cake to balance the taste and increasing the moisture. Overripe banana is the best because it adds sweetness. It will keep the cake moist, but too much banana can make the cake fudgy and a strong banana flavor. To avoid the wrong quantity, just take note that this recipe only requires 50 grams of banana. A little more or less is okay. Chocolate emulco or chocolate flavoring liquid is optional. I use additional flavoring to increase the chocolate flavor. Chocolate emulco is a natural flavoring liquid that has a chocolate taste and aroma. This cake needs only 20 minutes of baking time. If you like a fudgy brownie texture, then stop baking at 15 minutes. If you prefer cake texture, then keep baking for another 10 minutes until the toothpick test comes out clean. It's okay if a bit of cake sticks to the toothpick as long as it does not show a wet batter. If you bake too long, the cake can go dry. If you can wait, flavors are enhanced overnight due to the chemical reaction in the cake. Without doubt, this one banana chocolate cake seems to taste better after 12 hours. Watch our one banana cake recipes, short videos for inspiration. Subscribe,
share and comment. Thanks for watching.
Yum.